Has the money in your bank account been going down, but your household expenses are going up? We need to get you a side hustle. In this video, I'm going to tell you about 7 side hustles for parents that nobody is talking about. I'm going to keep it real. Some of these options I have mentioned in the past, but since only like 3 of y'all watch my videos, then the rest of you likely haven't seen it. But I do appreciate y'all that do come back and watch. All 3 of y'all. But enough talking, let's get to these 7 side hustles for parents that nobody is talking about. First up is Ysense. Ysense is a website that you can join for free, and they have a bunch of different options to be able to make money from home. These include surveys, offers such as downloading apps, playing games, watching videos, and also if you refer friends and family, you can earn 30% of what they're earning, which means that's a passive income. Say for example, you refer your aunt. Your aunt likes to do the surveys. Whatever she earns, you can earn up to 30% of what she's earning without you even logging on. Now let's talk about getting paid on Ysense. You could choose to get paid through PayPal or something called Skrill. I've never heard of Skrill. Let me know in the comments if you have. In addition to those cash payouts, you also have the option to choose a gift card. And I know y'all love gift cards on this channel. I'm telling you, I prefer my money, but a lot of you like the gift cards. So yeah, I had to bring you that kind of option too. So if you do want to cash out for a gift card, there's almost 80 different gift cards that you can choose on the Ysense website. But the best way to find out about Ysense and what gift cards they have to offer would be to go directly to the website. So I hooked you up, made it easy for you. I have the link down below this video. So go ahead over, visit Ysense after you finish watching this video. Now let's get to the second option. The next option is American Consumer Opinion. This is a website that's free to become a member, and when you do sign up, you can answer surveys and get paid to give your opinion. Companies are reaching out to American Consumer Opinion to get the opinion of the actual consumers, people that are actually using their products or that could potentially use their products. So for example, if you're a parent, they might reach out and ask for your opinion on maybe baby products or something that your teenager might like, those kinds of things. And how the payouts work is you actually earn points when you do these surveys, and then you can cash out those points for cash, real money. That money is paid out either through PayPal or something called Hyperwallet. Hyperwallet is a payment platform that's similar to PayPal, and they're throughout the world and in various countries. Now, speaking of various countries, okay, a lot of people from other countries outside of the US will often ask me, does this work in my country? I can't verify that it actually works outside of this country. So the way to do that is for you to put in the effort and actually click on the link either below this video or conduct some research on your own. Okay, now with that said, let's move on to the next option. Oh yeah, my favorite side hustle, mystery shopping. If you're not familiar with mystery shopping, it's when you pretend like you're a typical customer and you might go to a business or contact them some way, and you will give feedback to the company that hired you about your experience. Now, another thing to consider with mystery shopping is the fact that not all mystery shops require you to leave home. I've done mystery shops where I didn't have to leave home. There was one where I had to call up a hotel, pretend like I needed to get catering, that I was hosting an event at their hotel, and I had to give feedback on that process. But some other options might include food delivery, such as getting your groceries delivered or getting maybe DoorDash. Now, I'm not throwing that out there to say that DoorDash is one of those companies, but there are a bunch of delivery companies out there that need mystery shoppers to let them know how the drivers or delivery people are doing. But to keep it realistic and put y'all on the game, there's a lot of scammers out there when it comes to mystery shopping. So to help you avoid those scammers and get the A to Z rundown of how to become a mystery shopper, how to get the expensive shops like the ones at 5-star hotels that I do, I created the Mystery Shopping Masterclass. There, I give you the full rundown of what it takes to become a mystery shopper, the process, and most importantly, a list of legit companies that I've been using in my 10 years of mystery shopping that I've been doing, or close to 10. I think it's like 9 years at this point. But I used my own personal experience to create the Mystery Shoppers Masterclass to make it easier for you. And it's a super affordable course. I've linked it down below this video. Along with the link to the masterclass, I'm also going to include a link where you can get some free printables that can help you when you're on your mystery shop. So that's totally free. If you want to sign up for that, That is linked down below along with the mystery shopping masterclass. Now, enough about mystery shopping. Let's get to the next option. The fourth side hustle that nobody is talking about is called Healthywage. Healthywage is a website that rewards you for losing weight. So for those of you that took a vow to become healthier, I mean, for real, how many of y'all are sticking with your New Year's resolution? Okay. But if you are somebody that wants to lose weight, what better incentive is there than to get paid to lose weight? On the Healthywage website, they actually have a calculator so that you can see how much you would get paid if you lose those pounds. So the amount that you get paid will depend on how much weight you plan on losing. The more weight you lose, the more money you make. And this is a great idea to bring your friends along too, so that y'all can all get some money. So I know a lot of people like to do weight loss competitions with their friends and family members or co-workers. Y'all might as well use Healthywage and get that money. Now, before we get to the next option, I gotta drop this gem on y'all. For you parents out there, get your kid a Greenlight card. They're not sponsoring this video. I'm telling you, this is just a debit card for kids that has really helped me. Let me quickly explain. So my daughter has a Greenlight card, and with that card, they reward her for her purchases, as well as they reward her for her savings. And when it comes to doing chores, I can track the chores, I can pay her allowance. And if grandparents or friends of the family or anybody wants to buy her a birthday present, instead of them having to go out and buy the present, they can actually just put the money on her Greenlight card. I'm telling y'all, easy peasy. But there are two really important things about the Greenlight card that I absolutely love. So one of them is the fact that my daughter can buy stocks. She actually owns stocks now because of Greenlight. So if you're trying to build generational wealth, it's really important for your kids to understand finance. So Greenlight does a really good job at that. But the other thing, the second thing is they actually will cover her cell phone. They'll insure it. This has saved me so much money because I was paying Verizon like $17 a month or something like that to insure her phone. I got the Greenlight card. I pay $9.99 a month, and her phone is now insured with Greenlight with a much cheaper deductible than Verizon. But I'm about to really put y'all on. So if you want to try Greenlight for free for 30 days, use my link down below. And it also includes a bonus of $30 after your first month. So I'm telling you, this thing is really affordable. You can actually get plans for under $10 a month. And with that $30 that you're going to get, it will pay for several months of a membership. So I'm telling you, use that link down below, and I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. This is a refer a friend link. So I'm referring you, my new friend, and you will get that $30 bonus, and it helps me out, and it gives me a $30 bonus as well. I'm telling you, as parents got to stick together. Now with that said, let's get to the next option. The next side hustle for parents that nobody's talking about is MyPoints. MyPoints is one of the best websites to earn cash, and they have a bunch of gift cards, like 80 of them, I believe. MyPoints has so many different options to earn, and they include doing offers such as downloading apps. And I'm gonna tell you, one time I downloaded an app, played it, got to a certain level, and they paid me $50 for playing a game, okay? Other options include watching videos, doing surveys, and they also have an option to scan your receipts. I always try to let y'all know, don't throw away your receipts because your receipts are worth money, okay? I've been with MyPoints for like 10 plus years. I've earned thousands of dollars worth of gift cards and cash with MyPoints, so they are the real deal. So definitely check them out, and don't forget to refer your friends and family, because on MyPoints you can earn 10% of whatever they're earning. Here we go again with that passive income. See, when you keep stuff to yourself, it doesn't benefit you. When you share it with friends and family, help them come up too, that benefits you. So put your friends and family onto MyPoints as well. I have the link down below. You are my friend now, so go ahead, click that link, help a girl out. I want that 10%, okay? But let's move on to the next option. This one is VIPKID. This is a tutoring service where you can teach kids from around the world how to speak English. I know you're thinking, how much do they pay? VIPKID actually pays $7 to $9 for every class that you teach, and their classes aren't hourly. They're 25 minutes long. So you can get a couple classes in an hour. So at that rate, you're earning typically between $14 and $18 an hour. VIPKID asks that you have teaching experience as well as a bachelor's degree. And if you don't, I have another option for you. Just give me a second. If you do have those qualifications, then definitely check out VIPKID. I'm linking it down below. video to help you out. But let's go on to this next option, and that is Preply. So Preply is also a tutoring service, but you can expect to be teaching adults, and the criteria is lower. So you don't need to have a degree in order to teach on Preply, and you don't need to have experience. Win-win. Another perk of signing up with Preply is you can expect to get paid $20+ an hour. The rates do vary, so I can't give you a definitive number, but they are a pretty well paying service. So if you're interested in Preply, if you want to teach people from around the world, now I want to hear from you. Of these 7 options that I gave, what do you see yourself doing? Y'all know my answer. Mystery shopping. That's like my favorite side hustle ever. It's so fun. But anywho, let's discuss in the comments. I'm curious to know what your favorite options are. Now, with that said, if you do like these 7 side hustles for parents that nobody is talking about, then do me a favor. Let me and the algorithm know that by hitting thumbs up. And also, please don't forget to subscribe. Turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. And most importantly, don't forget to come back and watch my videos. As a matter of fact, if you do like these side hustles, you should start watching this one. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let